Hi, welcome. I am Dr. Andrea Bishop, and I'll be one of the instructors for you in the Prep Academy. We are really excited that classes are going to start up next week. We can't wait to meet you and work with you towards your academic goals. If you have time between now and Tuesday of next week, you could start working on your first writing assignment, which is simply a letter in which you introduce yourself to us. Don't worry too much about your grammar or your punctuation or anything like that. We just really want you to take the time to introduce yourself, to tell us what motivates you, why you're back in school, any challenges you think might crop up. Just sort of give us a good idea of who you are and what your goals are and anything you might be worried about so that we can plan for success with you. We're really, really excited that you're joining the Prep Academy and you're going to work towards your admission to the University of Memphis and 12 college credit hours. It's all very exciting. Welcome, and we can't wait to work with you.